Okie doke. So we have this app.js with not a lot in it. And our goal is to serve up this whole thing with React. So we have in our repository static.html and static.css. How about we copy everything in static CSS into app.css? That should work. And then what I want to do is copy much of what is in static HTML into our app component. We're just going to serve up the whole thing as one big component for right now. So inside the body, I've got this div. So I'm going to copy the entire body, but not body itself. Everything right up to the closing body tag. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to get rid of my h1, and I'm just going to paste all of that inside this div with the class name of app. It's inevitably going to screw up my indentation.
How do you fix that again?
So highlight the lines that need indented, and hit Command right bracket, left bracket to outdent, and heck, let's see what that gives us. All right. Well, the content's there. Not formatted right at all. But by golly, it's there. If we look at the console, we have an error here, or a warning. Unknown DOM property class. Did you mean class name?
Yes, I don't have it.
Right. So we can't do that. So we've got class on about 1 million elements here. So let's fix all that. That's okay. That's easy. I'll just use Command F or Control F to do find, and I'll replace all those. Now, there's a class here that I don't want to replace. So I'm not just going to search for class. I'm going to search for class equal, because that should only be my actual class attributes from HTML that I need to turn into class name props. So if you hit the little arrow here, you can do find and replace. So I'm going to replace class equals with class name equal. And if you hit that little button right there, you can replace all. And it should have, I think, something like 38 replacements. I can't remember. Something like that. Save the changes. And yeah, it looks right now. Sweet. Or close enough. Yeah. I've still got some warnings, but I'm not going to worry about those. Cool. So copy static HTML and CSS into app component. So now it is actually being served up by React. It's all one component, but by golly, it is a component. That's progress.